am making an angel food cake that's 2 ingredients. All right, I got my angel food cake mix here. Now, these are my bananas that I've had frozen in my freezer. One. So you just pinch off the top, and they're already pre-mashed. 2, because they're frozen. 3. And my water. Okay. 2 ingredients. I don't count water. I mean, if you don't have water in your house, then you probably don't live where you can get the angel food cake. Okay, so I'm gonna get this all, I'm doing this in a regular pan this time instead of an angel food pan. And I'm going to get this all nice and smooth. Then we're gonna throw this in the oven and
This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com.
Okay, here it is. Oh my goodness, got some powdered sugar. Oh my goodness, that looks so delicious. Oh, yum. Here, just a little bit right there. Okay. There we go. We're gonna cut this, see what it tastes like. Oh man, look at that fluffy goodness. Oh, yum. Okay. I don't know which is better, the soft middle or the crunchy edges. That is delicious. Oh my goodness. So it tastes like banana, but it's not completely overwhelming. If you want more banana, you could probably use 1 or 2 smaller bananas. Oh, that is delicious. Absolutely delicious.